Looks like it's going to be a stormy weekend here across the area. Now, it may not rain on you the entire time this weekend, but there will be a good chance for some showers and thunderstorms, especially Saturday. That's when it'll be most widespread across the area as we get into mid to late morning going into the afternoon. A few of those could be severe, 73 degrees for a high, but we should see falling temperatures into the 50s and 60s behind the front. Then as we make our way into Sunday, showers possible in the morning, and I think we will just be mostly cloudy in the afternoon with high temperatures around 70 degrees. So rain and storm chances will be increasing. For tonight, I think the best chances will be up from Dallas-Fort Worth into the eastern half of Oklahoma. However, I cannot rule out a rogue storm or two in our area, and if a storm were to develop and break the cap, it would likely become severe. But again, chances of that are on the lower side. Our main storm systems here across the Rockies, as that moves out into the plains tonight into tomorrow, that will allow a cold front to dive to the south, and that will be our culprit on Saturday with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Showers continuing Saturday night into Sunday morning, then tapering off. Then a 30% chance for a couple of showers and storms on Monday. Then we're back at it again Tuesday and Wednesday with more heavy rain potential out there. So our severe storm potential for Friday evening showing that we will have the potential for 1 or 2 storms. This is highly conditional even on if those will develop. If they do, we could see some large hail and gusty winds with those. But again, it is a low-end chance depending on if storms actually develop. Then as we make our way into Saturday, cold front moving in. Now, for the first part of the day, I think isolated severe storms across our northern counties becoming a little more widespread the farther south you are, as thunderstorms will percolate along the front and continue down toward the southeast. I do think a hail threat, it will be the highest threat with these, up to half-dollar size, winds up to 60 miles per hour in the strongest storms. Tornado threat will be very low. That's good news. And locally heavy rain will be possible with any of these storms. So let's get to our future track showing a couple of thunderstorms again. May try to form in our area this evening, but I think a lot of that pushes off toward the north and east and out of our region as we head toward midnight or so. Then we set the stage with our cold front. That will be coming in Saturday morning. Should be near our northwestern counties by about 7, 8 o'clock. Then that will transition toward Waco, Temple, Killeen late morning into around the lunchtime hour. Scattered showers and thunderstorms around, and a heavier storm or two will be possible. We may see cores here or there that could produce some hail, especially across the southern half of central Texas. Locally heavy rain as well. Then that continues to make its way off toward the east, and still some rain possible 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, and then we will likely see that slowly taper off through Sunday morning. As far as rain amounts are concerned, the models have actually come down quite a bit. So we're talking now around an inch of rain here across the area, with locally higher totals up to 1.5 inches or 2 inches for this weekend. As we make our way into next week, there could be another round of rain on the way. So for tonight, temperatures will work their way down into the 60s for the most part, maybe a few 50s out to the west where that cold front will reach you by morning. And then we're looking at highs into the 70s, even near 80 for Bryan College Station tomorrow. But from Waco, Temple, Killeen, northwest, these highs in the 70s will be around lunchtime. Then we will fall into the 60s and 50s once that front passes through. So looking at your forecast, 73 on Saturday, good chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, a few severe storms, and some locally heavy rain will be possible. That will continue into Sunday morning. Then we will get a little bit of a break Sunday afternoon through Monday, just a few showers and storms around. Then we'll pick it up again Tuesday and Wednesday. Some severe weather could be possible here, along with some locally heavy rain, especially on Tuesday. Then we cool down, and it looks like a pretty good front comes through. Highs in the 60s by Thursday. We begin to clear out, and temperatures will warm back up as we head toward the next weekend. And in the Brazos Valley, temperatures starting off around 80 degrees, 80% chance of thunderstorms as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening. Showers on Sunday, tapering off into Monday, then back up Tuesday and Wednesday. Then that front comes through, will dry us out by the end of next week. And remember, this is the weekend, Saturday night. We take those clocks forward 1 hour.